We're out here at the mouth of the Siletz, and we've got over here, we've got Jack Glass. Here we have Jack Glass. Here's our next door neighbor. You can see they're using the flashers, and Jack Glass out in the rain. We've seen Jack saw one coho caught earlier, and then we've seen a guy get off on the bank and get one in no time flat. Interesting.
Let's go up till we find a couple rowboats, you know what I mean?
They call this place Medicine Rock. Hey, fishing addicts and gearheads. I know some of you fish. An old buddy, Gene Scrutton, invited me out to his fishing grounds. And he generously offered to put me up in his motel, the Whistling Winds. Folks, when you come to Lincoln City, check out this American family-owned and run motel. Tell them Chuck Fasst sent you. Unfortunately, I've not fished much since my last vid with my brother-in-law at Buoy 10. Alright, fish fin addicts, we're out here in our little drift boat. Just put in Hammond. Tide's going out. We're gonna go check this out for the first time. Here's our setup.
Good job, Chuck.
Okay, we got him coming in now. He's right here.
I can't get used to doing it. It's not bad, is it?
Holy shit! And this thing's not recording. God damn it.
Just catch the fish, Chuck.
So this is an amalgamation of efforts since then. I tried the lower and upper Sandy on my mountain bike, my e-bike, and even my e-scooter without a whole lot of action. Well, hey gearheads, Chuck Fasst here, and it has been a long time since I have posted anything. Life has its travails, not to mention a destroyed hard drive. Anyway, this one's about fishing. Fish fin addicts. I don't think I have very many fishermen on my subscription list, but for what it is, fishing has been a part of my life since I was a kid, but I haven't engaged in it enough. So here I am, and it took a lot for me to just to get here. Some of you, if you are fishermen, you'll know where I am. I'll tell you soon enough. Get any taps?
I zapped one today.
Oh yeah, here?
Up in the flat.
Oh. Been down that way to the pipeline?
Wait.
It's a long.
Work, too many cops. I mean, you never know if it's illegal to go or if it's not illegal to go.
No kidding, at the pipeline, huh? I didn't know that that was an issue.
Well, sometimes I see people walking and there's no trespassing stuff, and then 3 state patrolmen will follow them in, and I heard they were giving out $1,200 trespassing tickets, but that was 4 years ago. I don't know what. Then they get down and they fight with the owners, and they can have all those fish down there as far as I'm concerned. They got to come up through here.
Oh my God, that's crazy. I used to fish there 50 years ago.
Yeah, they used to let you walk down.
Yeah, drive down. We drove down. Wow, cops. Good old cops. Well, just what we need when we're out fishing.
Yeah.
I'm recording, by the way. I don't know if it's okay with you.
Yeah, you can record all you want.
Yeah, I'll probably share this out into the world. Wow. Yeah, there were no bobbers back when I used to fish here.
No bobbers at all.
That would have been really weird. Are you fishing for trout? You know, nowadays it's like, that's the rule.
Yeah, it's like a bobber thing.
Yeah. Well, we're putting this here high boy under some pretty severe use here, aren't we? She's got some big wheels on her. We're putting them to use. Check out this view. There you go. Looking down over there. I almost thought I saw a fish down there. Looks like the river's pretty clear. Check this out, huh? Maybe this is where the dam was, right here. Nice rock right there. Okay. Alrighty then, well now we are over here at the Lunker Lake. There's one right there by the shore. First cast I threw a little jig in there and hooked a lunker. Fighting him for a while, then he spit the hook. So we're going to try it again. We've been making our way down river, and we stopped to do a little more fishing right here. We're still several miles up from the mouth. So, we missed all the action. We got hooked up and ended up in all these shallows out here. Gene tried to drive the boat. We were getting grounded, and the fish were jumping all over the place. We got him. It's an 8. Nice little coho. Got a mark on the sides from that wiggle work. He took a Magnum wiggle work. All right. Okay, fish on. I think we're rolling. Okay. I think we're rolling. Fish on. Hey, it's time. It's time. Oh, he's a good sized one too. Oh shit!
He got off?
He's off. Oh my God! You're right here with the net. We would have had him for sure. God damn it! Get me off that wiggle wart there, will you? Okay. Well, that was a short blast of video.
And we moved on back to wind down the day. And seaweed was a real bitch.
Here we go now. This right here is a constant vigil. I don't know what I got on there now. Yuck. So it looks like we may have had our only action here. You may have already seen our action for the day. This makes it kind of tough. We're kind of slow fishing here. But hey, that's why they call it fishing, because you're not always catching. So if this is it, then auf Wiedersehen, amigos. Chuck Fasst out.
And that was it. And then it was off to the Nau Mermaid for food and drink, where a buck deer joined us.
So here we go. That's what I'm using. I'm gonna try to twitch them up. Water's running really slow. I don't know, it's been at least 20 years since I've stood here. Reba would probably remember. We done well once upon a time here. I know there's fish in here. We've seen some roll. They're probably coho, there might be jacks. I don't know. But I'm just gonna try to twitch them. I want to put a little action into my presentation.
So we include a little bit of history and a little bit of philosophy thrown in.
As the years go by, and I'm no longer getting out there like I should, the river still flows, and it lures me, like the fish to the hook, like Sinbad the sailor to the sirens.
Well, I just went down. Now I understand what Reba was going through when she fell in over there. Had to yank her out of there, getting caught up in that damn quicksand. I can't get out of this stuff. It's muddy, damn quicksand. Look at that, I muddied up the whole river when I fell in there. All right, well, let's just stay in it. Now that you're in it, now I'll be able to get some distance and get this offering over there. It sure looks like a fish with a pink head to me. See how clear this water is? It's really too clear, a little too low. After all this rain, I'm surprised. Now here's one of the fucking hazards of fishing. Lure got caught in a bush on my back cast. I got like the biggest, lifetime biggest damn bird nest.
1 hour later.
I swear I've been at this at least an hour now. Tide's gone out. Look, my feet were there. River's way over there, man. My feet were up to their ankles when I started doing this. Oh, God. Well, here we go now. I know it's been way over an hour. The river's dropped way down there as the tide continues to go out in the ocean. Fishermen have come and gone. There ain't nobody here now. Fish have been jumping out there. And I've got another first. I think I lived long enough to where I won't be surprised and there won't be too many more firsts. But there are usually negative ones. And this one is my worst rat nest of my whole entire life. So there we go, another first. Can't get this out. It just gets worse and worse and deeper the further I go. What should I clip? Just clip anything. Just start clipping. Just start clipping the thing. Just start cutting the hell out of it. Holy God. I don't know how many cuts I've made and I still can't clear this mess. What a waste of precious time. It's getting evening now. It's starting to rain. It's getting cold. What the hell? It just goes and goes and goes. I can't even stand up on my feet. Oh, God. Jesus. Really sucks getting old. Well, see if I can hobble over here and try some more casts. We had some rain come. Here's this concoction I've got here. Oh, that's nice. Hung up on this little holographic fish with a freaking split shot on it. Trying to give it a trying to keep my presentation subtle here. Oh, poor Lord. Well, here we go. Let's try to get one, a snack. Let's see if we can slide one out here. Well, whoa! Here we go. There we go. Oh, here we go. That's it. That's it. That's it. We got him. We got him. Oh, let's see if we can hang on to this one. There we go. Got it. We are hooked up. We are hooked up, baby. I can see he's bright. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see. Come on, hang on to this one, Chucky. Come on, after this day. After this day, you deserve this one. God, this damn drag on this star drag is all screwed up on my reel. Fucking, oh. Oh, star drag's, something's weirded out on my star drag here. I don't like it. All these funky knots I got in my line and everything. I don't want to put too much pressure on him. I can't back off on the star drag. What is going on with this thing? This is going to be a weird way of playing this guy. Looking nice and silver from here. Nice.
Mud everywhere.
Fresh out of the ocean. Yeah, seaweed. Grab that tip if you're lucky.
All right, ready?
Yeah, yeah.
Good shot. Okay, we're gonna let him go now. Go back to your hole. Watching that big bright baby swim away. I didn't expect it to be that nice. That's as nice as anything in the ocean right there.